In the previous video about Lewis structures, we saw that carbon dioxide molecule started out like this, with this oxygen having 8 electrons and this oxygen having 8 electrons. So the octet for terminal atoms is satisfied. But if you notice, octet for the central atom is not satisfied. It's very important that octet for all atoms is satisfied except for hydrogen, for which you need to have only 2 electrons surrounding it. So carbon does not have that. So what happens is that oxygen electrons, one pair of electrons on each oxygen, moves in as a double bond. So then if you arrange the electron like this, okay, then this way, if you think about it, oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. This oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you look at carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all of them have 8 electrons each. So the carbon dioxide molecule has a structure that looks like this. Okay. So now how do you get the shape of this molecule? Okay. So if you look at your table that was provided to you, the type of the molecule is AX2. Okay, how do I know that? A is the central atom. So there is one central atom, which I will denote as A, and 2 terminal atoms, this oxygen and this oxygen. So AX2, the type of the molecule is AX2, and there is no E, meaning there is no lone pair of electrons on the central atom. So this is of the type AX2, and so it's a linear molecule with a bond angle of 180 degrees. To take another example, if you come up with a molecule like this one, for example, say if you come up with a structure that looks like this after following all the steps, and if you come up with a structure that looks like this, right, NCl3, what is this type? This type is AX3 E1, because there is one lone pair of electron on the central atom. So this is of the type AX3 E1. Shape is trigonal pyramid and the bond angle is 107 from your chart.